Hello viewers, welcome back. In this video, we're gonna see all about how to create branches. Now let us see what are branches and how to create branches. What is the use of branches? Branches are mainly used for a development purpose. For example, if you are working in a software company and some traditional formality like there will be three type of branches. First one is development branch. Development branch is where developers create the code and push the code into the development branch. Same code will be pushed into a new branch called QA or testing, where on which the testers will test the functionality on that QA branch. And if everything goes fine, the same code will be pushed into a new branch called prod or production, where the entire code will be deployed on the production branch, where demos and meetings or client will review the status of the developed software. Here you can find a drop down select, which is select branches or tags. There is only one branch, main, which is default branch. So for example, if you want to create a new branch out of the main branch, let us create a new branch like dev. So it is not available. Here you can find create dev branch from main. Clicking on it, you can find that branch is changed. This branch is up to date with main. That means that whatever the code and the files available in main branch, now they are available in this dev branch also. So here you can find two branches. Currently we are on dev branch. For example, if you want to delete a branch, click on view all branches. Here you will find active branches. For example, you want to delete this branch. Here you will find delete branch button. Click on it. Deleted. You can refresh it. Now we have only main branch. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel. For more data science and machine learning related videos, keep subscribed to our channel and share this video among your friends. Thank you for watching.